there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making almond biscotti. I'm gonna start doing it now. All ingredients are here in front of me, and I'm gonna start with the eggs. Okay. Sugar. Oil. Then I'm gonna add flour. Then I'm adding the baking powder. More flour. The almond extract. More flour. And I'm gonna add the almonds. These are just crushed almonds, roasted. I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, now I got 2 pizza pan here with parchment paper. And I'm gonna do the logs. I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Wet your hands with a little bit of oil. Start getting a little bit of the dough at a time. If your hands get sticky, just wet them, with a little bit of oil. They're really easy to make. They're so good to eat, these cookies. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. I'm gonna start fixing them here. Okay. Kind of just go like that. And squash them a little bit because they're gonna get bigger. We're gonna slice them up after and toast them again in the oven once they're done. I preheated the oven. I think it's ready, but I'm not. I gotta do the other one and just kind of, just fix them up. Looks good. And do the other one. With my hands again with the oil. Just put it here. And do the same like I did with the other one. You can fix them with a spatula, but I like to do the things my way, like I like to work with my hands. And it's fine if the other one comes bigger than the other. It's okay, no worries. I'm gonna put this one. Actually, I'm gonna add this one here. So this one was a little smaller. Now I'm gonna do this ones. It's this one here too. And I will show you once they're done how nice they're gonna look. And taste. The taste, it's delicious. Okay. One in the oven. And the other one. See you soon. Okay, the cookies are ready. I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna cut them. Okay, so now I'm gonna just slide them on the counter, and I'm gonna start frying them. And then we put them back in the oven so they can toast nicely on each side. So you gotta cut these cookies when they're hot. Okay. Here I have another pizza pan. Beautiful. All the nuts inside. And they're so good with tea, with coffee. Nice. It doesn't take long to make them. And just cut them like a little sideways, a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna toast them. That's that. I'll do the other one. I'm gonna cut these ones now, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in the oven to toast. Nice. Okay, back in the oven they go. Okay, I'm gonna take the cookies out. Oh, they look beautiful. Nice, toasted. Look beautiful, amazing. I'm gonna put a few in a dish and show you. Nice on both sides. They're good with coffee. They're good for snacks. They're good for kids. They're good for grown-ups. They're good for mangiare. Actually, they're ready for mangiare. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Ciao for now.